going over Kildare Mountain. I met Colonel Pepper and his money he was counting. I drew forth my pistol and I rattled my saber, saying stand and deliver, for I am a bold deceiver. Mushel-ring-um-dur-um-da. Whack fall the daddy-o, whack fall the daddy-o, there's whiskey in the jar. The shining yellow coins did sure look bright and jolly. I took the money home and I gave it to my Molly. She promised and she vowed that she never would deceive me, but the devil's in the women and they never can be easy. Mush-a-ring-um-dur-um-da. Whack fall the daddy-o, whack fall the daddy-o, there's whiskey in the jar. When I woke between the hours of 6 and 7, guards were standing round me in numbers odd and even. I flew to my pistol, but alas I was mistaken. I fired off my pistols and a prisoner was taken. Mush-a-ring-um-dur-um-da. Whack fall the daddy-o, whack fall the daddy-o, there's whiskey in the jar. Putting me in jail without a judge or jury for robbing Colonel Pepper in the morning so early. They didn't take my fist, so I knocked down the sentry, and I bid a long farewell to that cold penitentiary. Mush-a-ring-um-dur-um-da. Whack fall the daddy-o, whack fall the daddy-o, there's whiskey in the jar. Some take delight in fishing and bowling, others take delight in the carriage of rolling. I take delight in the juice of the barley, courting pretty women in the morning so early. Mush-a-ring-um-dur-um-da. Whack fall the daddy-o, whack fall the daddy-o, there's whiskey in the jar.